Roatan is a great place to live. You can check out some of the properties that are currently available for sale right here on the Roatan Travel Network Real Estate Guide.
Newly renovated condo ready for occupancy. Completely upgraded with modern kitchen, full-size fridge, solid hardwood cabinets and island with seating, wine cooler, herringbone backsplash, under cabinet lighting, gas stove, chef's sink, French door fridge, ample storage, aircon, separate laundry room, upgraded windows, decorative wall and ceiling decor with lighting, hardwood floors, built-in Bluetooth speakers, contemporary tile, custom-made bathroom sinks, modern fans, and lots of light. Renovation of the outside of the building is in process and will include a common area rooftop palapa barbecue space with stargazing platform. Includes beach dock access. This incredible beachfront home is located on the highly desirable beachfront strip between West End and West Bay. One of the most recognizable homes on the island, with the colorful mermaid resting on a rock in the sea. This stunning home boasts everything beach life has to offer. Breathtaking views, spectacular sunsets, a gorgeous long stretch of sandy beach, newly built dock with a large palapa, excellent swimming and snorkeling from the dock, calm waters, paddleboarding, kayaking, and of course, lounge on your spacious deck by your pool while gazing at the beautiful Caribbean Sea. This home really has it all. Rare opportunity to own an established restaurant business in the Caribbean. They've won numerous awards in Honduras and throughout Central America for their fine seafood cuisines. They specialize in the spiny king crab, which is indigenous to Honduras and the Mesoamerican reef. Gio's restaurant takes advantage of the fresh and local seafood in preparing most of their dishes. The Flowers Bay location is their secondary location and located just minutes away from the Port of Roatan and West Bay, making it an ideal tourist destination. In addition to the restaurant and building, there is a one-bedroom cottage on the property and it sits on just over half an acre. This second-story condo overlooks the marina and views of Second Bight. This condo was made for entertaining with an open-concept floor plan and spacious covered balcony that make it ideal for enjoying the island life. The mahogany cabinets extend from the kitchen to the wet bar that is in the dining room area. The master bedroom has direct access to the outdoor living space and its own private master bathroom. Paratree is a well-established community on the east end of Roatan. Magnolia House is a minute's walk to the beach and adjoins a quiet, renovated community pool. This beautiful home is fully furnished. Living is easy with ground floor master suite and guest bedroom on the same level. An incredible suspended mahogany staircase leads to a loft for another bedroom or office. Expansive screen decks bring the outdoor living spaces in, allowing you to enjoy a fresh island lifestyle. Enjoy 8-foot-high mahogany doors throughout, granite countertops, mahogany cabinets, hardwood floors, a wooden vaulted living room ceiling, large laundry room, and lots of storage space. Come home to Roatan Rock. Build your dream home on this rare half-acre lot just steps away from the beach in the most desirable community on Roatan, Roatan Rock. The lot is beautifully landscaped with easy access to the beach and is located at the end of the cul-de-sac on the west side. It's a gentle slope, which makes for an extremely easy build. Roatan Rock is ideally located 5 minutes away from the airport and shopping, as well as just 7 minutes away from West End. Roatan Rock community amenities include manicured tropical gardens, community beach, 3 community pools, a restaurant, gym, 2 docks, utilities to the lot line, and 24-hour security.
Thanks for watching the Roatan Travel Network's Real Estate Guide. We hope you discover your perfect island dream home.